World Precision, a state-level high-tech enterprise integrating design, manufacturing, sales, and service, provides customers with full process precision parts processing and assembly solutions worldwide. After 20 years of experience accumulation and technology precipitation, World has achieved high-quality leapfrog development and has continued to cultivate in the main business areas of precision parts processing, sheet metal processing, module assembly, and so on. World has 200,000 square meters of factory building land, nearly 3,000 employees, and a team of high-quality technicians with a scale of 1,000 people. World has introduced hundreds of high-end CNC machine tools from Germany and Japan, such as 5-axis, vertical machining, horizontal machining, turn milling compound, and longitudinal lathes, which can provide precision parts processing services, mainly including precision milling, turning, grinding, wire cutting, and EDM, with a processing accuracy of plus or minus 2 micrometers. Relying on rich experience in precision parts manufacturing and an in-depth understanding of the mechanical processing industry, combined with the rich precipitation in the field of automation, World completed the intelligent transformation of the high-precision machining workshop, opened up all production links from the whole process of software and hardware, and realized the digitalization and visualization of the entire process production automation and production management. World has built its own sheet metal workshop and introduced high-grade laser cutting machines, pipe cutting machines, bending machines, stamping machines, and welding types of equipment. All welders are certified by the Canadian Welding Bureau, CWB, to meet the diverse sheet metal processing needs of customers. World's self-built precision module assembly workshop products cover linear modules, cross modules, bending modules, tray modules, etc. Batch manufacturing capacity can reach 1,000 sets per month. In addition, World Headquarters has built a heat treatment workshop which can realize vacuum heat treatment processes such as quenching, annealing, normalizing, tempering, carburizing, quenching and tempering, ion nitriding, etc. World Outsourcing Workshop can carry out anodizing, black oxidation, electroplating, electropolishing, passivation, chromate treatment, and other special surface treatment processes for parts. World's one-stop high-precision processing and surface treatment capabilities of precision integrated parts and components can fully meet customization needs of low-volume high-mix and high-volume. World has established a comprehensive quality management and assurance system and has passed the certification of ISO 9001 Quality Management System, ISO 13485 Medical Device Quality Management System, ISO 14001 Environmental Management System, and AS 9100D Aviation Product Quality Management System. Meanwhile, World has introduced sophisticated testing equipment such as imported coordinate measuring machines, image measuring instruments, roundness measuring instruments, and profile measuring instruments to strictly control the quality and keep its promise to customers. World has successfully introduced an SAP Integrated Information Management System combined with an independently developed FSC manufacturing and operation management system, strictly controlled the whole production process, realized traceability of parts processing, effectively reducing the defective rate of parts, ensured to provide customers with excellent quality products. With boundless ambition, World has become one of the top 500 manufacturing enterprises in Guangdong province and a strategic partner of many well-known enterprises at home and abroad. Its product marketing network has spread all over the world and continues to create value for customers. Looking forward with a high head, striving forward, the footsteps of the World people have never slackened.
20年，沃德人将心不错，未来沃德人将秉承精益求精的工匠精神，服务好客户，坚持以卓越制造，持续为全球客户创造价值，共赢共创美好未来。
In the future, World will continue to adhere to the service tenet of people-oriented, continuous innovation, high quality and fast, customer first, keep in mind the mission of the enterprise, continue to catch up with and surpass the world's advanced level, and make continuous progress to World's vision of becoming a world-class precision processing solution service provider.